We got the Father's Day's tool deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. Yes, I was talking to my rep here, my DeWalt rep. If you guys do see a yellow truck at the depot, make sure you guys stop on by and have a talk with your rep. You might get a bonus deal. As he was telling me, it's only per rep. To the kind of deals that they can offer, not necessarily value or statewide or nationwide. It's just basically by the rep. All right, so you got the buy one get one free. So you buy 2 tools, get those for free. Obviously, the 12 amp hour batteries are going to be the better deals on that deal. $229. Do not buy those, guys. Might as well get the buy one get one free. You buy the kit with the 2 6s and get the 2 for free. Those are a lot cheaper than these, so jump on those. You got the top off for $99. Used to come with the 5. I don't know what happened. It flew off. These, you got the impact driver and drill driver, brushless tools. These are solid tools. That impact driver is a beast. It's hard to control, so just keep that in mind. You got the 2 combo kit there for $169. The 2 3 amp hour batteries for $99. Again, get the one that's buy one get one free, the lower tiers for $199, and get the better the free tool with those. $34.88. This is the hole dozer. It does come with 1 3/4, 2 inch, 2.5, and 3 inch. This is a great value here. It's a great deal. Usually these are really expensive, so jump on those. You get the precision screwdrivers for $15.97. The 16 ones for $16.97, and then you got the 11 and 1 for $11.97. Pretty good deals. These are the precision. I really do like the precision. I've taken, several electronics and tools apart, so that is a great thing to have in your drawer, in your toolbox drawer. You got a 2-piece fastback. My favorite here. I would definitely stick with the fastbacks. Let's see what else. Oh yeah, the one that I was telling you guys. Buy one get one free. So you spend the $199, get the 2 and the 5. Get a free tool. Definitely the hammer drill. The vacuum is going to be a good one. The light, yeah, all those are really good deals to get with that. And that is the kit there. And then they got the topper tier for $299, which is going to get a 2-pack of 6s, like I said. Obviously, the rocket and the inflator is going to be the best value for your bang for your buck on this deal, and cheaper batteries. Buy a qualified 18-volt tool, get one of these for free, so you can have the choice of getting a battery or one of the extended clips magazine. Buy a qualifying tool, and then you get a battery for free. So it just depends on the tier you're going to get. This was a 2 amp hour battery. I believe the other one was a 5. And then you got the extended clips there for the nail guns. Either 30 degree or 21 degree. I personally do have a 21 degree. I think it's a beast. You got the same thing with Joby. Great Father's Day deals. Buy one, get one free. So you buy any of the, basically the tool kits there, or the starter kit there with the 3 batteries. Get any of those tools for free. Obviously the brad nailer, the ratchet, depending on what you do. If you do woodworking or mechanic work, DIY mechanic work at home. The jigsaw's a good one. Angle grinder, circular saw. Those are all, the vacuum, guys. The stick vacuum, the pet stick vacuum that they call it. That's the brand new one. That is one of the better ones to get to help out with the cleaning at the shop. Got $99 for the 2 speaker. I do have a video on that if you guys want to check it out. I believe one of them was defected, but if you guys want to see that, it's on my channel. I did posted that. I do have that light. That thing's a beast. And all these you are able to get that for free with the $99 deal. And then you can, if you buy one of these power scrubbers, you can get one of those brushes for free. So I don't know if you guys are able to do a dual free, a double stacked free. Get the power scrubber for free and then get the attachment for free. I don't know if you guys could do that, but $9.97. This is a great value for this, for the DIY or somebody just doing a project. You got a lot of smaller bits. I really like that because those are the ones that you break, the smaller ones. You got the 16 gauge finish nailer, $189. That's a little pricey. If you don't care about the finish, then you can get a brand nailer, $109. This is a great value. I personally do have that thing. It's a beast. I've used it several different projects, several different trim. $199 for the bigger fan, and then $159 for the what's that, Whisper series. So if you want the one with the mist, the smaller one's $99. All right, this one's down to $49.98, down from $99. I guess nobody wants it, so I don't know. Let us know in the comment section if you guys do like this. What do you use this for? This is pretty much like a pressure of a hose, basically. You're not gonna get much pressure out of this. It's not like a real pressure washer. These are the nozzles with it, and some foam blaster, and a 7 pattern rinsing nozzle. So it's, yeah, you're gonna get mostly a little bit more than your garden hose on this pressure cleaner. And that's the 7 pattern nozzle, and that is the foam blaster. Alright, so onto the Milwaukee's. You got the string trimmer kit. This is a really good deal for $99. It does come with the 6 amp hour battery, according to what the box says right there. And then you got the quick lock here for $229. I don't know if this one's the kit or not, but this one is the kit, the first one, the $199. And they got the buy one get one free. So you buy the edge trimmer, get a free battery, and then you get the pruning. So I don't know if they're still running this, because this one was backwards. I just thought I showed you guys this part. You guys might still get that deal. Alright, so this is a pretty good deal. $249. You get the chainsaw and the pole saw. So it's a combo. Basically, I personally don't think that you need both, but sometimes you do. You got the angle gun. These are the tools that you guys can select for free with the lower tier, with the $99 deal starter kit. You can choose the router. You can choose the 2-pack of the lithium batteries. You can choose the circular saw, the rear reciprocating saw, the ratchet. Lots of good deals you guys can get from here. I would just definitely jump on these. Obviously, you want to stock up on those batteries. You want to have some extra batteries. Same thing with this, guys. Same thing with if you like the orange. Here it is. This is a 2 amp hour 2-pack of free batteries with the purchase of any tool. You get the dual port charger, subcompact brushless material saw, the right angle drill, that's the 3/8 angle drill, the one-handed reciprocating saw, the impact wrench, the 3/8 impact wrench, the subcompact circular saw 6.5, $149 for those tools. So definitely a great value here. You're getting a lot for your money. You guys know Ridge is a solid brand. It says free parts and free service for life. I don't know exactly about that. Let us know in the comment section if you guys tried their warranty. I heard mixed reviews about their warranty. I heard people that did not get exactly what is advertised. But let us know in the comment section about your rigid warranty if you guys tried that. I know I've tried Ryobi and I've tried Milwaukee. I do have to say Milwaukee. I'll give Milwaukee 5 stars for their warranty. Most of the time you get a brand new tool in the mail, trust me. Alright, so you got the hybrid fan light or the hybrid fan. Any of these for $99, especially the hybrid panel lights. That's a good one. You get to choose from the radio, the battery. That is Bluetooth radio there. You got the sander, you got the light, the shop blower, job site blower, and then the panel light. That panel light seems to be like a really powerful light. Alright, so something new I did not see here before. So you got the rigid drain cleaner with the power spin. So you are able to put a drill on that side, take the handle off, put your drill in there, and then you're ready to power that drain. So $53.98. You got the Carhartts. This is a great gift for dad to keep them protected from the sun, or for us for working. $49.98. I gotta get myself a pair of these. These are pretty nice Carhartts. Relax Fit, built to stretch, move with you. This is a great deal, guys. For around $140, this is a great platform to get into if you can't afford the Milwaukee Pack Out. This is a great gift. even for yourself. If you want to gift it yourself, $29.98 for the organizer. I would definitely stick with the three piece on the left. Alright, so $379 for the 4-tool combo kits. You got $299 for the high-end 2-tool combo kit with the hammer drill and a nice case, impact driver. And then if you guys want the lower tier for $149. Now this one does come with the hard case, a really nice case, and two 4-amp hour batteries. And then you got the other combo kit there. So yeah, lots of good deals there from the Rigids. Really like the orange. Alright, so make sure you guys check out the end caps, guys. There's always good deals at the end caps. $9.97 for this DeWalt 30-piece kits. Does come with some 2-inch bits, some 1-inch bits there, some stars, some Robertsons. What else we have? We have some bit holder. Lots of good deals, guys. That's it for today. You guys have a great Father's Day weekend. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.